Westermans here with a Bode 1000 kilo welding positioner, which is variable speed, manual tilt. There's actually a chuck fitted to the tabletop. The table is approximately a metre in diameter. This machine will either be sold fully serviced to order or refurbished, or can be sold as seen. Quick function test of the machine. Foot control, which is obviously on and off. Variable speed. And back down again. And the reverse mode. Machine's actually running on a 110 volt supply at the minute. Like I say, service to order, refurbished or sold as seen. Can be sold with the chuck or without the chuck. No chuck key. I think looking at this, somebody's actually welded himself a bolt on here for manual in and out, but sold. Chuck can be sold separately or, like I say, with the positioner. More details available on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.